look crazy, I look rough, but I just woke up. That's the whole point of this video. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zabby, back again with another video. As you can tell by the title, and as you can tell by how I'm looking, I think you can put two and two together, y'all. Today's gonna be a skincare routine, alright? Did a poll on my Instagram to see, because honestly, I had two video ideas in mind. And I was like, wow, I really want to do both of them, but I'm like, I don't know what to do first. So I did a poll on my Instagram to see, like, okay, which one people want to see first, the skincare routine or the vlog. Now, it was a equal decision, y'all. And I said, I'm like, yo, 1 minute I check one person, you know, winning the skincare routine. Next minute I check vlog winning. I'm like, yo, but at the end it was 50-50. So I made a decision of doing two video this week. Two video, y'all gonna get two video. So this video might be dropping basically in the middle of the week, and then the other video we're gonna be dropping at the end of the week. So two video. As you can see, skincare basically is in the top win, so that's why we're doing skincare first, and then we're gonna do a vlog activity day after. So make sure you tune into that video as well when that video drop, because that's going to be another banger as well, y'all. Bow. But yeah, before we even get started into like the skincare routine, hi to my new subscriber, hi to my old people, what is up? I hope you guys are doing well. If you haven't already subscribed or pressed that like button, then please do so. We're trying to go for at least 10 to 15 likes today. If I get that, then I might get the video earlier this week. So let's try to push for that, y'all. If you want to see the video, press that like button. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed, definitely do so and turn the post notification bell. I'll see you. We are here. I'm standing in front of the mirror. I look a little bit exhausted because I am. Like, I didn't have that much sleep last night. Like, back was just hurting. Nevertheless, we're gonna get in tune right now with started. But I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. I did brush my teeth already because I'm like, as soon as I get up, this is just me. As soon as I get up, I brush my teeth. I don't like walking around having my breath stink. You're not saying my breath be stinking bad, but like I just like to have my teeth brushed as soon as I get up. So I'm still gonna rebrush my teeth though, because I ate some food and I had some tea. So I'm gonna rebrush my teeth and show you guys like how I do my lip treatment and everything. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you guys my product I use basically for my toothpaste, for my my skincare, and then also too for my lip treatment. Let's just get started with the first thing I do in the morning. So the first thing I do in the morning, as I said, is brush my teeth. So the product I will use, this is the product. I was struggling a little bit to make it be focused, but this is a product. So you could get this at Medina, as I said how I got the other hair product, excuse me, in my video at Medina. You can also pick this up at Medina too. Medina do have a website, so you can order it offline too, as y'all yeah, I forgot to mention that in my last video, but Medina do have a website, so if you want to order some products, you can just go on their website. So it's a teeth cleaner, as you can see. Basically, in the teeth cleaner, it's like, I'll tell you right now, it is purified water, organic coconut oil, baking soda. Basically, I like to make my teeth, make sure it's whitened, and then also to having to have braces. Like, I know some people who have braces can understand, but like the leftover glue sometimes, like I never did like that, and I was about to get laser on my teeth to remove that. So I decided to start brushing my teeth with like baking soda and then this teeth cleaner. It's like a teeth whitener as well too, but I don't use it all the time because baking soda can make your teeth get a little weak. Like the gum, it can help your teeth get white, but it can also make your teeth get a little, you know, weak too. So I use it like probably once a week. Everything I'm showing you guys right now, I probably do it like at least once a week. It don't do it like every single day because you gotta have your body to have a break. But I do brush my teeth every day, y'all. Other product I use for my teeth too, which I spoke about for the hair already, is, oh my god, Dr. Bronner. Okay, Dr. Bronner, the same Dr. Bronner I use for my hair. As I said in my hair video, I use this basically for everything. Hair, body, laundry, tea, whatever. Like, I love Dr. Bronner. Sponsor me, please. I use the Dr. Bronner for the lip treatment. I'm going to show you guys all of this. Trust, believe. I use for my face. I only really use one product for my face. And I do not do this every day. I probably do this like, I would say once a week. Probably even once every other week. But but I don't do this a lot for my face. I probably just wash my face with the Dr. Bronner more than I will use this product for my face. But this product is when I want to do like deep exfoliating or like some deep cleanse, and I use the product. But same is what we're going to be using for our face, okay? I used to use the apricot one, but I didn't really like it that much, so now I just use avocado and honey one. I don't put lemon on my face. I don't put like toothpaste on my face. I don't do a lot of stuff for my face because my face is very sensitive, so therefore I have to use product that's very kind of light but also get the work done. And also it plays a part in your body. I know a lot of time when you watch people talk about like their skin, they always say, oh, drink a lot of water and your diet, but it's really true. Like your diet plays a part a lot in your body, even with your mental state. So what you eat, you just have to remember, like, okay, what is it doing for my body? Is it going to do like a negative and a positive, or is it going to do like only negative and only positive? It's a balance for everything, but you still have to have like consideration of like what's going in your body. That being said, I just drink a lot of water when it comes to like cleansing out my body. Like if I have a pimple, which a lot of people be like, oh, they put like, as I said, lemon, or they put like toothpaste. I can't do none of that. I did that before, and when I said my face was burnt, my face was burnt. I could not do that, and I'm so happy that it's not showing in my face like that too. Cause when it first happened, yo, my face, it was visibly seen that the burnt was there. Now what I use if I have a pimple, as I said, I kind of take into what like I ate, but I also use tea tree oil. Yo, that right there, I can stand by that. I can stand by it. Never burned my face. It helped with the pimple. It always bring the pimple down in less than like 3 days, and it doesn't like necessarily to like hurt your skin. In a way, it kind of make the pimple kind of like die down under the skin, and sometimes it can even help people's skin. As I said before in my hair video, I am not a cosmetologist, so take everything what I said with like, you know, it's my opinion. I'm not gonna tell you guys, oh, go do this on your face, and no, like still have, you know, what you use for yourself. If you want to try what I'm telling you guys to try, then go ahead. But just take everything what I say and then do your own research as well too, because I want nothing to happen to nobody's skin off of my own doing. The first thing I'm going to do in the morning is going to be washing my face. Now, I watched a video a couple years ago that had made some great details. It was like, when you wash your face in the morning, wash it first with cold water to basically wake up the skin. Not like some like ice cold water, but like on the room temperature, like cold water. And then you basically wash that first to basically wake up the skin. And then after you do that, wash it with some hot water to basically open up the pores. Since I started doing that, I realized I seen a difference. And then when I use the product on my body, then when I don't do it. So that's what I started to do. So we're going to see me do that first. Then we're going to do the lip, face, boom, bow. Alright, so now what I'm basically doing is I got my my rag separate from my face, and I just ran it out in some hot water, squeeze it out, so kind of like a hot rag, and I'm just going to dap my face. I'm not going to rub my face, I'm going to dap it, so the steam also can help open up the pores. I have my separate toothbrush for my lip treatment. I got my toothbrush for my brushing my teeth. Now, this is an electric toothbrush, so I'm not going to use that setting because I may not have an electric toothbrush, so I still want people who just have a regular toothbrush to see like how you can just do it manually with your hands. You feel me? First thing I do is wet my toothbrush, okay? You wet the toothbrush, y'all. Wet the toothbrush. As you can see, I'm adding a little bit. Oh my god, I think I added too much. Add a little bit of the Dr. Bronner. Once you have the Dr. Bronner's added on, basically, I like to just mop my lips like this and just. Basically, what I do, it's a little bit more dramatic with the electric toothbrush on, but like, you get the sense. You get the sense of what I'm doing. We're gonna wash it off now. And we're gonna wash our mouth out. Wow, my lips feel so lumptious. Oh my god. Brush our teeth now. So what I do first is I brush my teeth with the whitener. Get the whitener out. Wait, I lied. Shake it up a little bit. Get it done and get it out. Add a little bit onto the toothbrush. How am I gonna do this? Like that. So I just got some toothpaste. Add it on. Alright, so we got the whole thing finished with the mouth, with the teeth. Now we're going to do the face. So as you guys just saw me do, basically just dap my face up to this dryer to get it ready for the St. Ives. I usually like to place the St. Ives on and then wash it off while I'm in the shower. That's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to get a little bit of the St. Ives. Now, I am going to lie to you guys. I had this probably for 6 months now or longer than that. I really don't use this a lot, and when I do use it, I use a little bit. You don't need a lot. I've been seeing a lot of people be squeezing a whole bottle out, and I'm like, that's just a lot of this. That's a lot on your skin. I don't think your skin even gonna be breaking that down. That's a lot of washing off. That's just a lot. It's a lot. But like this should be a good amount. Just hold up. Please use it. So we get a little bit. We add it in our palms like this. Now a lot of people make sure you get your out of your neck too, cause like that's important, yo. Like the remaining, just put it on your neck. So I'm gonna leave this on. As you guys can see, it's in my face. I make sure I rub it through my eyebrows, cause you know, anywhere your body could possibly have any acne or like little small blackheads, like make sure you massage it in. So I'm gonna leave this on my face. I'm gonna go wash it off once I get in the shower, and then once I'm back in my room to grease my face and show you guys the product, we're gonna get back in it. You guys can see the skin is not greased at all. I actually been making it air dry because that's how I usually do it. I make my face air dry, and then after I finish get dressed, then I do the same thing I did with the towel as wet in it, but I switched it. I do cold water so it can close up the pores. Then that's what we're about to do, because I don't grease my face with my pores open because that's a lot of oil going into your pores. So I close my pores, then grease my face. Just dap it on my face. Oh my god, that feels so good. Like it's mad hot right now, so like doing this, it just feels amazing. Use shea butter. Shea butter only on my face. Now, there's a difference between this shea butter and the shea butter I use for my hair. This shea butter, that's why I only have a little bit. I have to refill that up. But basically, this shea butter is just plain shea butter. Basically, it is the shea butter by itself with the other oils my mom put in it. Whereas the other shea butter I have for my hair video, that is the flavor shea butter. Basically, my mom makes like lavender, some rose down my face. As I told you guys, with the baking soda and the toothpaste, I can't put like essential oils on my face. I'm gonna put lotion on my face. Like my face is beyond sensitive, and I gotta make sure I stay on top of the stuff I put on my face and what I eat in my body too, because I don't need no crazy breakout now. That's a dub. I'm gonna show you how I grease my face. Because as I see sometimes people wash their face and don't wash their neck. I see sometimes people grease their face and they don't grease their face properly. But I'm gonna show you guys. So I get a little shea butter out. It's very liquidy right now because it's hot. I know, that's how hot it is. But basically, get some shea butter out. Rub it on my hand like that. Do that all the time. I'm lying. I don't do all this all the time. I do rub it on my hand like that. But boom, on your hand like this. I just get those basic parts first. After I get those basic parts first, that I know these parts are have a little grease on it for me to rub it in. That's when I do the whole rub it in. We're gonna be doing the lips too, baby. Okay. pretty much it. You gotta make sure you get the eyebrows them too. The top here, right here, like that. A lot of time people do ask me too, if I use like any stuff for my eyelashes, because my eyelashes is long and they're noticeable, but I don't. This is what I do. I just grease my face like this, do a little bit of a pump up like that. I do it all the time. I'm chatting. I don't. I just grease my face. But if I am like feeling like, let me make it do a little pump, that's what I do. Yeah, but this is pretty much what I do. Like, as I say, y'all, I kind of find the most simplest thing and healthiest thing for myself to do, because I like to see a great result but not having to do too much. Because I always have this in my mind, like, yo, what if I move somewhere, or what if I go somewhere and I don't have the pleasure of getting the stuff I normally use, right? What am I gonna do? So therefore, I like to be on more of a natural path and say cleanse out your body and overall, like, you know, just be in tune with your body, because your body's your temple, baby. Also too, I just wanted to show you guys that I really do be drinking a lot of water. This right here is a whole gallon bottle, and I try my best to drink a gallon of water a day, or at least a half a gallon a day. So I need to go refill this, but yeah, I drink my water. So with that, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something, as you know, what you guys can do for your own self, or if you guys just had a fun time watching it. If you did, then please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, then do that right now. As always, stay blessed, stay safe, keep it pushing. Sabio.